to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for expert home and garden insights. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're stepping outside to talk about something truly spectacular. Creating a stylish outdoor kitchen. Imagine this. The sun setting, a gentle breeze, the sizzle of your favorite meal on the grill, and laughter echoing as friends and family gather around. This isn't just a fantasy. It's the reality of having a stylish outdoor kitchen, an extension of your home, designed for ultimate enjoyment and unforgettable memories. So, what exactly do we mean by a stylish outdoor kitchen? It's more than just a barbecue grill on the patio. It's a thoughtfully designed, fully functional culinary space that blends seamlessly with your outdoor aesthetics. It's about bringing the convenience and comfort of your indoor kitchen, with a touch of luxury and flair, right into your garden or backyard. It's a place where form meets function, where every detail from the countertops to the lighting contributes to an inviting and elegant atmosphere. The benefits of an outdoor kitchen are immense. Here are some of them. First, enhanced entertainment. No more running back and forth from the house. Everything you need for entertaining is right at your fingertips, making hosting a breeze and allowing you to fully enjoy your guests. Second, increased home value. A well-designed outdoor kitchen is a significant upgrade that adds tangible value to your property, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Third, expanded living space. You're effectively adding another room to your home, giving you more space to relax, dine, and entertain, especially during warmer months. Fourth, versatile cooking options. Beyond just grilling, you can incorporate pizza ovens, smokers, side burners, and more, expanding your culinary horizons. Fifth, enjoy the outdoors more. It encourages you to spend more time outside, soaking up the fresh air and natural beauty of your garden. Whether big or small, outdoor kitchen ideas can bring all the hardworking elements of an indoor cooking space to your deck or patio. Utilize outdoor appliances, lighting, storage, seating, and other amenities to enjoy the fresh air and sunshine while you whip up a meal. Use these practical and beautiful tips to equip your backyard with everything you need to cook, dine, and entertain in style. 1. Outdoor kitchen location. A smart large or small outdoor kitchen idea is to place it near an entrance to the inside kitchen. This will simplify meal prep for large gatherings, often requiring many trips between the two spaces during cooking and cleanup. Proximity can also make running gas and plumbing lines outside more manageable and economical. 2. Outdoor deck kitchen. Cooking is easy in this outdoor kitchen, equipped with a stainless steel grill, side burners and griddle, an outdoor refrigerator and a sink. Seating abounds with an outdoor dining set, counter stools on the other side of the cooking zone, and a secondary raised deck outfitted with patio furniture. In the evenings, string lights hung from the pergola keep the area well lit, while patio umbrellas provide comfort during the day. 3. Outdoor kitchen appliances. As outdoor kitchens become more popular, the choices in appliances for outdoor use have expanded. Consider outfitting your outdoor kitchen with a built-in grill, sink, refrigerator, ice maker, and more. Once you decide which appliances you want to be installed, be sure to align your utility services accordingly. 4. Resilient outdoor materials. Whether your space is big or small, outdoor kitchen ideas for cabinets and surfaces must withstand your climate's weather conditions. Select durable materials such as stainless steel, shown here, and stone, slate, tile, or stucco. Make sure all countertop surfaces and hardware are recommended for exterior use. To install a kitchen on an existing deck or patio, verify that it can structurally support the kitchen's additional weight before you build. 5. Small outdoor kitchen ideas. Located on a deck, this simple small outdoor kitchen idea has everything a family needs for dining and entertaining. A stretch of concrete countertop adjacent to the grill provides plenty of space for ingredient prep or serving food. Stools pull up to the counter to form a compact seating area. 6. Bonus outdoor kitchen storage. Along with picking the right grill and countertop, plan for storage and organizational necessities within your outdoor kitchen. Designate areas for storing trash and recycling bins, cleaning supplies, and tableware, including dishes, utensils, and glassware. If your outdoor kitchen lacks the built-in cabinetry or drawers to store all these items, Bring in furniture such as a standalone island or a rolling cart to boost storage space. 7. Outdoor kitchen landscaping. Boost the presence of an outdoor kitchen by surrounding it with beautiful landscaping. This patio cooking area feels like a lush oasis thanks to plentiful trees and plantings. Containers planted with colorful flowers decorate the grill area, and string lights provide ambience from above. 8. DIY outdoor kitchen. A long counter adds plenty of seating and prep space to this DIY outdoor kitchen bar. The budget-friendly design was created using recycled wood and salvaged cinder blocks, which were painted to achieve a gray patinaed look. Colorful containers dress up the space and visually link the outdoor kitchen with the rest of the garden. 9. Large outdoor entertaining area. This outdoor kitchen and entertainment area provide plenty of space to spread out. The cooking zone offers a spacious countertop that can serve as a buffet area, while the outdoor dining table offers seating for 8. After dinner, guests can relax around the stone fire pit and toast marshmallows. 10. Outdoor pizza oven. Add a pizza oven to your patio to take your summer parties to the next level. This outdoor kitchen feature can be a pricey upgrade, but it might be worth the investment if homemade pizza is often on the menu. Use an extra long pizza paddle to maintain a safe distance from the heat as you cook. 11. Outdoor kitchen lighting. You'll need to plan for varying light levels to maximize the hours you can spend using and enjoying your outdoor kitchen. During the afternoon's heat, a patio umbrella placed over the seating area, away from the cooking zone, can offer protection from harsh sunlight. After the sun goes down, overhead fixtures and other task lighting can extend the usability of your grilling and eating spaces into the night. Just make sure all light fixtures are rated for outdoor use. 12. Outdoor kitchen layout ideas. If you plan to use your outdoor kitchen for entertaining, plan the layout with guests in mind. Create different zones for cooking, prep work, and serving to facilitate a smooth flow. Provide seating near the cooking area, such as bar stools at a peninsula, so guests can relax and chat with the chef before the meal. 13. Mini outdoor appliances. Most outdoor kitchens don't need to store food and beverages for a week, just for a meal. So instead of full-size appliances, select affordable, small-space models that use less energy and take up a fraction of the square footage. If space permits, consider storing basic condiments in your outdoor kitchen, so you don't need to haul ingredients from inside for every occasion. 14. Sheltered small outdoor kitchen ideas. Rain, wind, and extra sunny days can hamper your enjoyment of an outdoor kitchen. Make the most of your grilling and dining area by adding shelter above your kitchen or seating space. A roof overhang, as used here, is one option. Other small outdoor kitchen ideas for overhead covering include a pergola or an outdoor umbrella. 15. Easy clean flooring. Meal cleanup outside shouldn't require more work than inside. In an outdoor kitchen, choose an easy-to-clean floor, such as this resilient tile. Sweeping up is simple and it can withstand spills, splatters, and outdoor messes, including dirt and cut grass. For a homier feeling, consider laying down an easy care outdoor rug you can hose down if it gets dirty. 16. Outdoor appliance protection. Before you build your outdoor kitchen, consider the types of cooking surfaces you will want to use, such as a standalone range or a grill. Then design your kitchen with those elements in mind. Here, a built-in niche provides a convenient place to tuck a grill when it's not in use and shields it from the rain and snow, extending its life. 17. Outdoor kitchen electrical tips. If your kitchen will be freestanding, electricity is essential to power items such as lights and outdoor kitchen appliances. Placing an outlet near the main cooking area will expand your use of the space into the night. Add extra outlets near the seating area for the option to bring music or a TV out to the party. Sleek outdoor buffet. Concrete countertops in this kitchen double as a food prep area and a buffet space where visitors can mingle and munch. Counter-height stools lining the exterior side provide more casual dining space. The sheltered area includes built-in lighting and an outdoor fireplace to keep it cozy after dark. 19. Outdoor kitchen storage ideas. Working in an outdoor kitchen can be challenging if you lack spots to stash everyday necessities. Consider what you want on hand to determine what kind of storage you need. If you're not close to your interior kitchen, Include cabinets or a cart to store grilling tools, utensils, plates, and serving pieces. The handier it is to cook and entertain in your outdoor kitchen, the more you will take advantage of it. 20. Small outdoor kitchen. This smart small outdoor kitchen idea includes amenities to accommodate prep and cleanup. In this compact space, 3 appliances are situated in a row. The dishwasher sits next to the grill, providing convenient countertop space for prep work. A quaint table for 2 makes this cozy alleyway the perfect at-home date night destination. 21. Grilling utensil storage. Employ outdoor kitchen storage that keeps cooking utensils organized yet out of the way. Consider storing forks, tongs, and spatulas off the countertop with a drawer or a simple metal hanging rack. Whichever storage solution you choose, position it near the cooking area for convenient access. 22. Outdoor kitchen sink ideas. Install a sink in your outdoor kitchen to avoid having to traipse back inside to wash your hands or rinse ingredients. A bar-sized sink beside the grill is a clever small outdoor kitchen idea. Include a trash can under the sink to quickly toss veggie scraps or empty bottles. 23. Built-in outdoor kitchen seating. A thoughtful small outdoor kitchen idea includes a bar with seating to increase countertop space and create a more welcoming feel. Here, the space neatly dovetails with the cooking spot and has enough room for a few stools. Designate additional space elsewhere for a more formal outdoor dining area. 24. Patio grill setup. Situate a built-in grill amid lush plantings to create an oasis for outdoor cooking and dining. This outdoor kitchen includes counter space next to the grill as a landing spot for hot plates. A lamp with a flexible neck attached to the adjacent fence keeps the cooking zone well lit when barbecuing steaks after dark. 25. Outdoor ventilation. Even in an outdoor kitchen, you need to think about air quality. A vent hood is a good option for an outdoor kitchen located on an attached or covered patio or deck where air circulation can be an issue. Invest in one that will stand up to the elements, as a strong storm could do some severe damage. 26. Double grill fireplace. A sizable brick fireplace is the focal point of this outdoor dining area. A natural gas line fuels easy starts for wood fires, while a 2-tiered design creates different spots for grilling meats and veggies. Interlocking bricks provide a solid, low-maintenance floor, and a pergola overhead offers relief from the sun. 27. Full outdoor kitchen. This deck features all the necessities of an outdoor kitchen, including a refrigerator, sink, and natural gas grill. Comfortable seating and an outdoor fireplace create a cozy, relaxing spot after dinner. A heater is suspended from the pergola to take the chill off cool evenings. 28. Secondary outdoor kitchen. A grill, sink, and refrigerator, all faced with stainless steel, make outdoor cooking a breeze. This exterior kitchen is just steps away from its indoor counterpart, so tools and ingredients are close at hand. Should there be light rain, a broad umbrella protects diners at the table. 29. Cooking outdoors. Cooking in an outdoor kitchen is a great way to take advantage of the sunshine, fresh air, and homegrown vegetables and herbs. If you don't have a fully fledged kitchen garden, you can still take advantage of the growing season. Place a few pots of often used herbs, tomatoes, peppers, and more near your cooking prep space for ready-to-pick ingredients. 30. Stack stone eating area. This outdoor kitchen features a hardy, poured concrete countertop that steps up to form a serving bar. The bar hides clutter while allowing the cook a clear view of the swimming pool, spa, and sitting areas. Stacked stone cladding gives the island a rustic look. 31. Freestanding outdoor kitchen. Cypress cabinets enhance this modern outdoor kitchen and offer a water-resistant material for outdoor wear and tear. The roof defines the outdoor kitchen as a freestanding room and extends the use of the space. A ceiling fan adds comfort in the heat. 32. Durable stone structure. Durable materials are critical components of any outdoor kitchen. Here, concrete countertops, stone cabinets, and a stone floor bring unity to the space. The natural materials ground the kitchen and help it stand the test of weather and time. Ready to take your outdoor living to the next level? Imagine hosting unforgettable gatherings, cooking under the stars, or simply enjoying a beautiful evening with a cold drink in hand. An outdoor kitchen is not just a trend. It's an investment in your lifestyle and your home's value. Whether you're planning a grand entertaining hub or a cozy cooking nook, investing in a stylish outdoor kitchen is an investment in your lifestyle, your home, and countless cherished moments. It's about extending your living space, embracing the joy of outdoor cooking, and creating a truly unique and beautiful environment for yourself, your family, and your friends. So step outside, get inspired, and start designing the outdoor kitchen of your dreams.